Welcome back, campers. Today, we're still working on that 73 Pontiac Ventura. It's a never-ending task, but we're gonna do just a quick victory because I don't feel like doing a lot of work, but I want to get something done, and there's something that's been bothering me with this car ever since the beginning. I cannot stand this carpet. It's great for like a preschool or a three-season room or maybe like a deck if you live in a dry climate. It doesn't belong in this car. It really bothers me. There's a perfect factory vinyl floor underneath it, and I don't know why why would you do this? It doesn't match. It's not even the same color. I mean, black? No, they went with gray. It's probably all they had. I mean, I get it, but no. So today, we're just gonna yank this out and then go ooh at the factory vinyl floor. Let's go. All right, now everything is out, including the back seat, and we've got quite the mess to clean up vacuum-wise, but really not that bad. Like I said, the vinyl is absolutely perfect. So why they put carpet in here is beyond me. To cover up the sand, maybe. I don't know. That's up to you. But let's get the vacuum out and take care of this. All right, it's all vacuumed out. Now, last step is just putting some sort of cleaning agent on it. And one thing you really don't want to do that I've learned over the years is don't throw Armor All on vinyl. It is slippery and it just never goes away. Don't use tire wet, don't do anything like that. We're just gonna use Tough Stuff all-purpose cleaner and just put a little bit of a coating on it and wipe it off just to make it look nice. I mean it's nice, so let's make it look nice. All right, that's the last thing and then we're done. All right, that is 100 times better than it was with the carpet. You can ignore those wires. That's for a speaker that doesn't exist. Those do exist and I just have to tuck it back up. The factory floor mat, or close to, came out okay. I haven't really cleaned that yet. I just threw it back in. But man, you cannot say that this doesn't look 1,000 times better than it did with carpet. That's why it came vinyl from the factory, because it shouldn't have had carpet in the first place. Perfect, love it. Low maintenance floor in perfect shape from the factory. It doesn't get much better than that. That's a win for today. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.